Hey guys, what's up? So, I've just been tired all day. Literally I did nothing all day. I set up a subwoofer to our TV. Other than that, that was it. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock right now. I'm actually going to work. I'm gonna be late. I left way late. I literally woke up from my nap and then went, ugh. So, I don't know, but I'm just tired. Today I'm just tired. I don't know, I'm kind of over some stuff too. I'm going through a weird phase in my life with peoples and friends and all that stuff. So, not really of my life, I'm just going through a weird point right now with some people, so it's cool. But I'm going to work. It's going to be fun. And yeah, don't know what else to say, but it's going to be fun. Hopefully. No, well, it's going to be really lame. It's Saturday, it's going to be busy. I'm tired, but I'm going to get a Red Bull. Red Bull sounds good. Red Bull, it is. We're gonna get a Red Bull. But yeah, I'm sleepy. I wanna go to bed. I don't wanna go to work. Thankfully I don't have a day off tomorrow. Damn it, I don't have a day off till Monday. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are my day offs. But the good news is we're going to see We the Kings. Like, it's official. So I asked Abby, she's like, yeah, I wanna go. And so I was like, alright, fine, well, we're gonna get the tickets. So I'm gonna get the tickets tonight after she wakes up, and it feels a little bit better just to confirm, because it's her money, she has to pay for it. So I'm like, well, she's gonna have to pay me back for it, like, give me cash for it or whatever. So I'm like, are you sure? She's gonna be like, yeah. So as of this second, we're gonna see We the Kings, and we're actually listening to We the Kings just to kind of celebrate. I'm so excited right now. Like, I'm legit fanboying right now, because I want to see if I can get there early to, like, try and meet Charles and Alec, because they're both going to be there, so I want to see if I can meet them. And then I want to be at the end of the vlog. I want to be the ones going, bye, and screaming. So I want to do that. So we might be there till, like, midnight, but who cares, but I am so excited right now. Like, I'm so excited to go see We the Kings. Like, it's not even funny, guys. I am legit, like, fanboying right now. It's gonna be great. That car has a mustache. Hello there, mustache car. I really don't want to go to work right now, like, at all. I'm just not feeling it. And I would rather just go to bed, honestly. I just want to go to sleep. I'm tired again. My sleep schedule got messed up last night because freaking my mind, headspace area, so I don't know, it's very depressing. I just want to go to bed. Not too hard to ask, not too much to ask for. Bus! Stop being so loud! Today is gonna be struggles. That's just all I can say about today. It's gonna be struggles. I hate struggling. No! I don't know. I definitely need coffee though, or Red Bull. Ooh, Red Bull. I think I want Red Bull. I'm gonna splurge and get a Red Bull because Red Bull's the awesome sauce. So I think I'm gonna get a Red Bull during my break. I'm actually late right now. It's 5:30. Scheduled to work. I'm like 10 minutes away. YOLO. Don't care. Swag, son. Penguins. What? I don't know what that means, but it means something. So there's that, I guess. I think that guy's a little too far forward. Just my professional opinion right there. Yeah. Can I do that one more time for the boys and girls?
Oh god, no.
Come on, you want to do it one more time?
No, I can do it now.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Do it. There's no camera here. What? There's no camera. Kids, don't look. See, no camera? There's no camera. See? No camera. Just clothes.
Okay, come in. Are you ready?
Yeah. That's what we do at Abercrombie. Hey, Greg! And that's what we do at Abercrombie and Fitch. What? That was both of us? We freaked out the whole store. I think that's a good job. Good job. GG, well played. GG, well played. Freaking IHOP with Abercrombie crew. Best IHOP in a long time. And there's Alex and Greg. Hi, Alex. Hi, Greg.
You made me clean my car, you just pooped his pants.
Bye, Greg.
Go away.
Bye, Alex.
Go away.
I'll see you later. Oh, I just hit my first major bill, guys. So first I just cut my hand right there a little bit. And whew, so kind of getting over the shock. And then I did that to my knee. I hope you can see it. There you go. Oh, that hurt. I was just pedaling up the hill. And I was pedaling my foot like this on the side of the thing and caught the wheel. Yeah, I ate it.